Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how you can convert PowerPoint slides into a MP4 video format. And so I created this video because a while ago I had created a YouTube short to show the same thing, and that really took off in recent time. And so I thought, let me create a more detailed, more advanced version of this particular video in a lot more detail than what I can actually cover in the YouTube short. And so in this video we'll go into a lot more details. And so let's say this is your slide deck and you have worked hard on it and you want to convert that into a video file. So it is pretty easy. You have to go to File and then click on Export. And then there are a number of ways and you can export the slide, but right here is a Create a Video File. Now there are multiple options in which you can create your video file. One is the Ultra HD or 4K format, and so if you really want a high definition, high HD quality video, then you can pick this option. Now of course, if you pick that, the size of the file, the video file would be pretty big, and so make sure that you are aware of that, and if you have a time you can actually play with multiple of these options and see which one really is right for you. And so by default it is set to Full HD, which is 1080p, and I think that works for majority of people, so I'm going to keep that. Now depending upon how many slides do you have, you can specify how many seconds this video should spend on each of this slide. So by default it is set to 5 seconds, which gives enough time for anybody to actually read through the slides. I mean, if you keep 1 second, then it would go pretty fast, and the people who are watching your video may not be able to get much out of it. And so again, play with this option and see which one would work the best for you. Now this particular way you can create a video file, but it also allows you to actually add your own voice and do a lot more than just create a video. And so here let me just go to record a video. And now what I have is actually really cool way to actually interact with my slide deck while I record my video. And so I can click on the record button here, and then here I have options to show the highlighter, show the pen, use a laser pointer. If I need to write something, I can go and move forward with the slides and so on. So there are a lot of cool options. So let me think. If I click on the record button, then it will start recording my voice, and then I can show a pointer. I can go to the next slide. I can use a highlighter to show a specific section. I can focus on a particular area and then show all these, and all would be all stored into the video that I'm actually recording or saving. There are other options, so based upon the microphone setting there is an option for that, and there might be a time where you want to mute your microphone, so you can do that as well. And so once you are done, you can go through the entire slide deck and basically do a voice over your slide, specifying the different options, playing or interacting with your slide deck, and then click stop, and you would be able to create a really useful video file from your slides, which are not just a plain video, but it also has your voice and then interaction all captured in it. And so again, there are many different cool ways in which you can not only save your video file but also do a lot more with that. Okay, so let me close this, and then here if you don't want to do all those things, you can simply click on the create video file, and now you would have an option to save your MP4 file. There's also one more option that I didn't go through, and that was you can also preview and it actually replays the video and so on. And so you can also look at that and so on. Right. So let me close that. And so this is how you can actually not only create a video from your PowerPoint slides, but to do a lot more, just like as it says, recording timings, narration, different inks, highlighters. You can use a laser pointer and other gesture to make it a really useful video for the future. Alright, so I hope you learned something new today. If you did, click on the like button And if you like the content of this channel, then please consider subscribing. All right. Thank you.